In today's life sciences landscape, speed and accuracy can't be optional, but one crucial area still struggles with both. Cleaning validation is mission critical, but traditional approaches are paper-heavy, slow, and full of friction. Manual, paper-based processes delay documentation, leave gaps in records, raise audit risk, pushing cleaning validation cycles out by weeks. With the right digital strategy, cleaning validation becomes one streamlined, risk-based workflow, uniting design, qualification, and continuous monitoring on a single platform. Digital validation means fewer manual steps, so engineers can focus on critical work while reports auto-generate and schedules keep advancing. Interactive 2D and 3D sample maps, guided steps, and real-time alerts help teams stay ahead. No rework, no surprises. The result? Up to 50% faster validation cycles, fewer errors, and stronger confidence from the lab to the regulators. Every step is date-stamped, e-signed, and logged, so you're audit-ready 24/7, even in restricted network environments. All of this comes together in ValGenesis iClean, a complete digital cleaning validation from process design to continuous monitoring on a single platform. Learn how leading organizations are transforming cleaning validation with ValGenesis. Visit valgenesis.com to get started.